Hello everyone and a warm welcome to all of you to maths class. So today in addition and subtraction we are going to solve the word problems. Before we begin with the word problems, you should know certain words or group of words which will tell you whether it is addition or subtraction. Since today we are going to deal with the word problems of addition, I am going to tell you the words or group of words for addition problems given in the word problems. Fine. So the words like sum, S-U-M, sum, altogether and total. If all these words are coming in the word problems, and then you should understand that is a word problem of the addition. So let's begin with the problem set number 9, which has all the word problems. So let's begin with the first problem. So first one, I'm reading it, you have to understand it carefully. In a certain election, you know elections are held for ministers to get voted for. Okay, so in a certain election, 13,47,048 women and 14,29,638 men cast their vote. Okay, cast their votes. How many votes were polled all together? Now here you see the word has come all together. So you should understand that it is a word problem of addition. So what you are supposed to write? You are supposed to write the total number of women who went for casting their votes and total number of men. And then we have to find out how many men as well as, or how many altogether voted, men as well as women. So let's write the data and then try to solve the problem. Now I have written down the number of women who casted their vote and number of men who casted their vote. Now we have to find out what was the total number of people who voted, okay, including women as well as men. So let's try to add these numbers, okay. So let's try. Now you know 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. So write here 6, carry 1, okay. Then 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 3 is equal to 8, okay. Then 6 plus 0 is 6, comma 5. Then 9 plus 7 is equal to 16, carry 1. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is equal to 7. Fine. Then 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Fine. So these many number of people casted their vote for the election. So how we are supposed to write in the form of a statement? Since it is the word problem, you have to always write a final statement. Statement means one sentence you have to write according to how is the question asked. So let's see what is the sentence here. The sentence is, or the question is, how many votes were polled altogether? So you should write 27,76,686 votes were polled altogether. Okay, so what you will write? Therefore, okay, I mentioned to you what is the symbol. This symbol is 3 dots is therefore. So therefore 27 lakh, okay, 76,686 votes were polled altogether. Polled all together. So this is how you are supposed to write in the form of a statement. Fine. So this is the first problem. Now let's go for the second one. Second question is, what will be the sum? See the word here, sum, S-U-M, means it's addition. Okay. What will be the sum of the smallest and the largest 6-digit number? So now, by now you know what are 6-digit and 7-digit numbers. So 6-digit means starting with 1 lakh, correct? So 1 lakh is the starting number, that means it is the smallest 6-digit number. Whereas you have learned that the largest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. So what you have to find out here? You have to find out the sum of the smallest 6-digit, that is 1 lakh, and the largest 6-digit number, that is 9,99,999. So let's write the problem here. So smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. Okay, so 1 lakh has 6 numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 5 zeros here. Fine. Now largest 6-digit is 9,99,999, because if you just add 1, it will become 7 digits. So that is why this is called as the largest 6-digit number. So let's try to add them now. Fine. So it's very simple. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 0 is again 9. Then 9 plus 0 is 9, comma, 9 plus 0 is 9, 9 plus 0 is 9 and 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Fine. So here you have to write the comma. So the answer comes now as a 7-digit number. If you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7-digit number. So you know 7-digit number is nothing but starts with the 10 lakh. Correct? Place name is 10 lakh. So here also it is 10 lakh only. Fine. So 10 lakh, okay, 99,999. Okay. So what you will write as the statement? You will say that the sum of the smallest and the largest 6-digit number is 10,99,999. So what you are supposed to write? Therefore, you write like this. Therefore, either you can write 10,99,999 is the sum of the smallest and this largest 6-digit, or you can say the sum of, anyhow you can write. Okay, you should see that the grammar is correct. Okay, so the sum of smallest and largest 6-digit number, 6-digit number is, okay, 10,99,999. So this is your second word problem. Isn't it easy, dear students? Yes, it is very easy. Fine. Only thing you have to understand a little bit of English, then this is nothing. Fine. And of course you have to learn to add the number. Combinations of numbers you should always by heart. Then it's very easy for solving addition. Fine. So we'll go for the third one now. So third one is, if Surekha Tai bought a tractor for rupees, okay, see that symbol is of rupees, 8,07,957. So Surekha Tai bought a tractor for rupees 8,07,957 rupees, and a thresher. Thresher means the one which is used to thresh the soil. Means when ploughing is done, that is also called as ploughing. Fine. For rupees 32,609. How much money did she spend altogether? Altogether word is there. So you should understand that it is addition. So please remember all these words, dear students, because when you are writing during exam, you should not get confused what type of a problem it is, whether it is addition or subtraction. Since right now we are doing addition, you will understand it, but later on you may forget. So that is why certain words you have to remember which are used for addition and subtraction. So since your altogether is there, therefore you have to remember it is addition. So let's go for solving this problem too. So I have written the data now. Okay, so tractor amount is 8,07,957, whereas thresher is for rupees 32,609. Now if you carefully look at these two numbers, you will find that one is 6-digit, another one is 5-digit. So whenever you are doing addition or any subtraction, you will always have to place the digits in their places only. Fine, one below the other. Never write 32 here or 3 below 8 because 8 is in the place of lakh, whereas 3 is in the place of 10,000. That is why you have to write all these digits according to their place names. Now here 7 is unit, so 9 will come under unit. 5 is tens, 0 will come in tens. 9 is in hundreds place, 6 also is in hundreds place. 7 is in thousands place, 2 is in also thousand place, 0 is in 10,000 place, 3 also is in 10,000 place. So you should always write the digits one below the other and not anyhow you can start from here. If you start, the answer you will get wrong. So you have to pay attention to even these small things also. Let's begin now addition. Addition, as you know, it's very simple, dear students. So let's begin. Fine. So 9 plus 7, I told you have to learn certain combinations of number. What is their total? So see that you learn all this. Like for example 9 plus 7. Always remember 9 is less than 1. Less than 10 by 1. Correct? Right. Therefore, so 10 plus 7 if it is coming, it will be 17. So since 1 is less, you should always remember that it will be 16. Okay students, so these are certain tricks you have to learn so that you can do very quickly. So let's do it quickly now. So 9 plus 7, 1 will be less. So it will be 16. So 16 you write here 6, carry 1 in the tens place. Fine. So now 5 plus 1 plus 0 is 6 again. Fine. Now 9 plus 6 is equal to, as I have mentioned to you, this is 9, this is 6. So answer will be 15. Okay, 1 less than 6, so 5 and 1 carried here, that is in thousands place. Okay, 1000s place. So 7 plus 1 is 8 plus 2 becomes 10, carry 1, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and 8 here. Fine. Now you just have to put the commas as I mentioned to you in the previous lesson, how we are supposed to put the commas. Fine. So now the total amount what Surekha Tai spent on buying tractor and thresher is rupees 8 lakh. So you have to write here rupees. Rupees is written like this, R and then a hyphen like this, cutting it. Okay, and then like this you have to write. Remember this, how you are supposed to write rupees in, it's a new way of writing rupees. Earlier we used to write RS. Now we are writing, R, then there is hyphen like this and like this. Fine. So this is how we are supposed to write rupees nowadays. So when you are writing here, you will write your rupees 8,40,566. So let's write according to what is the question asked, because we have to always write the statement below it. Fine, what will be the statement? How much money did she spend altogether? So what you are supposed to write? Therefore, she means here Surekha Tai. So you will write with Surekha Tai's name only. So you will write Surekha Tai, okay, fine, spent, okay, you will not write spend, okay, Surekha Tai spent, you will write past tense, fine. So Surekha Tai spent rupees 8,40,566 all together. Remember, the past tense of spend is spent. So you have to write not spend, you will have to write spend. So Surekha Tai spent rupees 8,40,566 all together. Full stop. Fine. So this is how you're supposed to write. Now, I will ask you to solve question number 5 on your own. Up to 4th question I am solving, and 5th question is for your homework to solve, because once you understand how to solve it, it is very easy, right student? Yes. So let's go for the 4th question now. Next question is, a textile mill produced, textile means textile industry is the one wherein cloth is produced, fine. So textile mill produced 17,24,938 meters of cloth last year and 23,47,056 meters this year. What was the total production, okay, for the 2 years? Okay, so the question asked here is again addition, because the word comes here, it's total, so you have to remember that it is addition. So let's write the data first and then try to solve. So the cloth produced last year was 17,24,938 meters. Meters you can write in short as small m. Okay, and this year the cloth produced was little higher as compared to the last year. Okay, so it was around 23,47,056 meters of cloth. So let's try to find out how much was the total production for 2 years. Let's try to add and find out total. So 8 plus 6 is 14. 8 is 2 less than 10. So here when you are adding any number to it, always remember whatever number is here, it will be 2 less than that. Okay, plus 10. So 2 less than 6 is 4. Plus 10 is 14, right? So 14 is the answer of this. So therefore 1 will be carried in tens place. Fine. Then 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 plus 1 is 9. Then nothing is carried over. So 9 plus 0 is 9. 4 plus 7 is 11. Okay, 3 less here. So 3 less, then 4 will be 1. So plus 1 will be 11. Fine, so 4 plus 1, plus 1, no, plus 10 will be 11. So 10 plus 1 is 11. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Carry 1 here. Fine. Now 4 plus 2 becomes 6. Plus 1 is 7. Okay. Then 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Again carry 1. And 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Plus 1 is equal to 4. So it becomes total production for the 2 years is 40,71,994. So this is the total production for the 2 years. So how you will write in a form of a statement? So you will have to write according to the question, how it is asked. So the total production for the 2 years was 40,71,994 meters. Okay, so what you will write? Therefore, the total production for 2 years was, yes, it is asked in past, so you will write in past tense only, was 40,71,994 along with the unit, that is meters, is the unit of the length. Fine. So this is how you are supposed to write the word problems. Word problems are not difficult. You need to understand how it is framed and how you are supposed to go about. Once you understand and then if you know to solve the addition or subtraction problem, then it is nothing. You can get out marks in word problems too. Fine students, so I hope so you have understood how to solve the word problems. So the last question, that is question number 5, you are supposed to do as your homework for today. So thank you dear students, and I hope I will receive your homework. Thank you.